Okay.
And Liam's going to ask Annie. Then she run in there. You just ask her. Ask Annie.
Annie, do you want a cookie?
Want a cookie? Do you want a cookie?
Do
Ask
you
her.
want a cookie, Annie? Do you?
You want a cookie, Annie? Huh?
I saw Dylan again.
You afraid, Annie? Whatever he's got, he can go to her shit.
She's trustful.
She trusts you. Yes, she does.
Go back and sit next to your granddad. Tell him about your school, Liam.
He's been telling me about school.
Oh yeah, let me hear.
Teach him about the fear of the Lord.
Oh, they did?
What they tell you. You don't know.
I don't know. You got to tell me.
Well, I don't remember the buses or war prayer.
You're always a nice man. Huh? Treats you nice.
What?
He treats you nice.
He
He
knows.
looks after you, keeps you from getting hurt. Wants to heal you all the time.
He knows.
And he tells you things. You know that?
Mm-hmm.
In your mind, in your head, all of a sudden.
Your conscience.
thought, and he's telling you something. Be careful. Don't go over there.
Don't hit your brother.
I like you going. I really do, yeah.
I saw one of these at Clyde's. Actually, I didn't. It was an M16.
Is that what you like? I'm 16.
Yeah. They're pretty standable.
But that she's real bullets.
What?
I'm 16, she's real bullets.
No.
Well, what are you going to shoot at?
Deer.
If you shoot something, if you shoot it, it's going to kill somebody. Kill an animal.
You don't want to kill a deer, do you?
Kill a bird. Kill who's ever in front of it. Die.
You don't want to kill a deer.
Well, I have a full M16. Do
Well,
you
when
think
you
you
get-
can show me two of your rifles again? In your standard locker for World War
Okay.
II?
When you're a big boy and you go hunting, you can use them. But you
Never,
gotta learn how to use them to be
I've
safe.
never, ever used any of them.
Well, that's good too. Just target practice. It's a lot of fun.
I'm just gonna use it for targets, like for circle targets and red circles and a big red dot.
Yeah,
dot.
that's right. That's right. You shoot for the center hole.
Go.
You got to sit back over there and talk to granddad because I can't get you in the film. Here, you sit next to him. It's sitting there. All right, now. You guys keep talking.
Oh,
What'd you learn in school? How far can you count? Can you count to 20?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10.
That was too easy. All right, can you spell? How about fun? The word fun, how do you spell that?
I can't.
No, okay. Well, that's okay. That's when you're a couple years from now.
I'm
You
gonna
can spell his name.
Oh, can you spell your name?
go LIAM.
Hey, that's okay, buddy. Hey, don't go anywhere. We're getting you on the movie. Come back down. Don't you want to be a movie star?
No, you don't want to.
Come back down.
No.
What? When you're a big boy, you'll be able to look at this movie. Come on, sit with me. You're gonna be a big boy. You're gonna be able to see this movie. Come on, sit down here. Come on, you're not in the movie. You gotta come down further. No, it's pointing right here. Come on down a little bit. So what else you want to talk about, Liam?
Nothing.
Somebody told me that you got a circular thing that you're gonna play in the snow with.
What? You got a sled?
Yeah.
Two-wheeler.
Blue got a rope on it to pull.
Yes, I put the rope on my skateboard.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use it as a fish carrier.
Why?
I'm gonna use
Do me
it
a
as
favor. Shut
trailer.
that door. You can come
So,
down. Shut the door and come down.
And I catch a largemouth bass. Actually, 3 of them.
Come on
And
down.
I wrap them up with a bungee cord. On one.
down here.
And
Walk right through here.
loads and loads
Here,
of
buddy.
water
Walk through
face.
here. Come right through here. Well, you can go through there too. Come here, there's a, come here, buddy.
Do you play it?
Come here, there's a spot for you to sit
Use it
down.
with Wyatt? Do you
I'll
let
make it,
Wyatt
I'll
play
make it a
with
little
it?
bit.
Well, we don't really use it now.
I bet you Wyatt likes to ride it.
Uh-oh, Wyatt likes to ride too? Let me see why, I think that's, okay.
Wyatt, in that, thing I gave you and Liam?
Come here, Emmy, or, come here, Annie, watch out. Come over here.
He don't, he's supposed to.
I ride
He's supposed to share it with you.
I ride myself.
Well,
Come here.
wait till we get snow and you get on that saucer and it'll fly. It's a lot of fun. I used to do that with your grandmother when she was a little girl. I had a big one. It was a big red one. But I got it for you now because it's your size. Now, Mr. Liam, that wouldn't be fair not to let Wyatt play with it.
Well, I do let him play with it. I let him ride in the back.
But that's what he's supposed to. I bet you could use it on your grandmother's golf cart. Take it up on top and I bet you it'll slide down to the bottom. Yeah.
Liam, come down one step, please. I'm gonna get you some more licorice in a little while, just for being so good.
No, you're not either. You'll get him sick.
Oh, okay.
When you like to do that, slide down a mulch pile.
Why?
What do you do?
I like to use it in a fish carrier, like a trailer.
Right, okay.
We use it for all our different kind of things. Hey, Liam, how about I drag your skateboard down the mush pile with the wheels?
Hey, that would be good.
And then Liam will still be on there. Whee!
I bet you your grandmother will like to use it when it's stowed. Because she used to do that when she was a little girl.
Well,
She had a lot of fun with that.
did you give it to her?
Hey, and you know something? I've got a whole bunch of film upstairs that I took when your grandmother and Aunt Susie and Johnny, and I forget who else.
Joanne.
Years ago, yeah, Joanne, we went down to the ocean, just like you went. It's a different place.
Go lay down,
It's the
go lay
same
down.
ocean. And they
Come here, Annie.
had lots of fun.
Come here, Annie. Let's go outside. Come here. Let's go outside. Come on.
Oh, Johnny,
Come on,
don't.
go out. Come on, Annie.
You can't stay here forever, John. I think you got an awful lot.
No, I'll go there.
Don't you think? But did you like the ocean when you went down there?
Yes.
Well, wait till you see these pictures. It'll make you feel like you're right in that water. Because it was a lot of fun.
I saw Liam show me the chicken picture.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna look for that. Oh, I don't have a projector anymore. Yeah, it goes in a television.
Goes in the VCR.
Yeah, it goes in a television.
You could see your grandmother when she was a little girl. Yeah, no kidding.
And down Wildwood where we went, they had a fun place where you could get on bumper cars, you get on a big slide board. And one time, your grandmother wanted to go into a house of mirrors. It's a house where everything is a mirror.
Go in there and get lost.
You're supposed to go in one end, you're supposed to go through it and find the exit to get out. And she couldn't do it. And she couldn't find the exit out. She couldn't get out, so she came around the front again. And she stood there and she cried a little bit because she wanted somebody to help her out. So the man that gave out the tickets, he went in. He knew how to get to where she was, but she just couldn't find the door. What else did they have down there? Oh, they had big things that go around, airplanes, whatever.
Helicopters or space shuttle?
Yeah, like that. Like that. It was really nice.
Remember they had a big sliding board you slide down?
Had a big slide and make it go faster. You sit on wax paper. And that makes you fly.
And what about getting shells on the beach?
Huh?
Getting shells on the beach.
Oh, yeah, along the beach, where the water hits the sand, there's a lot of shells down there.
No.
Back box full of shells one day. I'll go
Can
find it.
you give some of them to us?
I used to like the monkey shell.
And that a jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Oh, you know about them? Yeah.
Well, jellyfish can sting you.
Yeah. You been to the ocean, Liam?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
I saw a whole group of moon jellies
Really?
by the pier.
Really?
There were a whole group.
Wow. Huh.
They would sting you.
Really?
And people casting their fishing rods.
Oh, yeah?
They will catch any kind of fish. Bass, tuna,
Yeah.
king mackerel, Spanish mackerel.
And then me,
Oh,
Yeah.
that was fun.
and me and your granddad went fishing way out in the ocean, and they put 4 hooks on the line. 4 hooks, not 1 hook, 4 different hooks. And you drop the fish, you drop the line down, and no kidding, right? No kidding, 4 fish come up on the line. 4 fish at the same time.
Guess how he caught a fish? By the tail. Yes, he did.
I don't know how I did that, but
Thought he had a wheel. It really pulled it. Shook his line, you know. He thought he had a big fish, but the fish was hooked by the tail and was trying to swim away all the time. Yep, he did it.
and you tell him about how I found that can of bees.
What?
Can of yellow jackets.
Yeah, you don't want to do what he did. He was looking for old bottles.
You told me not to go over there.
And we were in the woods, and everybody don't trash in the woods, and they shouldn't do that. But when they dump it in there, the bees go into all the places for whatever food's left. Put in them. And he went over, and I said, Johnny, go over there. Johnny went over and he had them. And when he disturbed those bees, they were yellow jackets. They'd come out and they stung him, and it hurt.
I bet you cried.
No, it didn't. No, it didn't. And at one time, when he was a little boy, I used to try to, like, he wanted to work on the workbench. He wanted to work on the workbench. So I gave him an hour and some nail, and the next thing I hear is, "Ooh, ow, ow, ooh, ow, ow." And he was standing up with his hand between his legs, and he hit his finger. Instead of hitting
And you knew what it is.
No, just the hammer hit him. It made it just hurt. The nail didn't go in his finger. He howled, well, and it goes away. All this kind of bumps go away. It hurt a little bit in the beginning, but then it go away.
I gotta go now.
You gotta go now. Where are you? What's such a pressing issue for you?
Well,
My
they-
dad
he's
got
got up
really
here a long
fun.
time ago.
What do you say, Wyatt? You don't say that much, do you, buddy?
He's a thinker.
He's a thinker?
Yes, he is.
Wow.
He is.
That was a good movie, Dad.
Yeah.
Of course, oh, now it goes off.
What?
The damn furnace went on. I got the noise, and then I got somebody up here moving all the damn chairs.
You can't control that.
Well, yeah.
Where
Oh, we
you
got-
at, Annie?
We got something, though, right? No, I let her outside, Dad.
Huh?
I let her outside.
Oh, did you?